Have you been looking for a 4-bedroom ranch-style home with no HOA in the Spartanburg area? Well, my newest listing may just be the right home for you. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a tour of my newest listing right here at 159 Society Hill in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This home has a little over 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. It's an open floor plan, split bedrooms floor plan, so you have the master on one side of the home and the other 3 bedrooms on the other side of the home. There's absolutely no carpet in this home. Laminate floors throughout, except in the master bathroom, which has tile flooring. There's a huge 45 by 25 deck out back. It's a little over half-acre lot. It's fenced backyard. There's also a storage building out back, as well as an RV hookup. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So on this side of the home, you have the garage right here, walk-in laundry room with some cabinets, and on this side, you have the owner's suite, which has a walk-in closet, updated bathroom with double sinks, and a walk-in shower as well. Let's check it out. Outside, there's a huge deck out back. There's also a covered porch outside. Now, it's a large fenced backyard along with a storage building out back, as well as an RV hookup. Let's check it out. Beautiful, isn't it? Well, if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available properties for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.